Ngiyabingelela sister we-country, sanibonani. Nginibingelela confidentiality. Angiyena umuntu wepolitiki. Angigxilile, angisho ukuthi angiyena, ake ngithi angigxilile ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngifunde izinto, ngibone ukuthi kwenzakalani yonke leyo nto leyo. Anginomuntu oqhashayo ukuthi akhulume ngezinto zepolitiki ngenxa yokuthi iy'mpande zayo angigxilile kuzo, kodwa ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngifunde, ngibone, ngilandele. Guys, kunosisi kuthiwa Jacinta Ngobese, yes. Ushadile kaZuma, yes, kaZuma. Ngicela ukungagxili kuyena phese ukuthi ngizokhuluma ngaye ngqo, kodwa ngifuna ukuzoveza ukuthi I support her. Mina Mvelwenhle, sister we-country, I support her. Ngizwe izolo ngibizwa ngo-sister we-country. Why ngimsupporta? Ngicela nje ukukhulumela esayidini lokuhlenga. Uyabona mina guys, uma wami usebenze overseas e-England, eBirmingham for close to a decade nonyaka, wagcina esethola i-citizenship. Kwamthatha unyaka ukuthi aye khona, kulungiswa izingcukaca, kulungiswa izinto, inhlalo yakhe na everything. Elinjani lelizwe elizovele kuthi uma ngabe nje ufila like going nje uvele nje uthelekezweni, kungabi nankinga, kungabalwa lutho kuloku kungena abantu. Guys, niyophaphama the day uthole ukuthi uhulumeni usponsorishe amaPanado awu-50. I'm making an example. Usponsorishe amaPanado awu-50. Kufike ama-foreigners awu-30. Meaning sekusele amaPanado awu-20. Ama-South Africans. Ngibekisa kanjalo. Niyophaphama ngalelo langa uthole ukuthi uma ngabe kufanele ukuthi niyoteta, kunembhede ewu-20 eKing Edward noma isemshiyeni. Uthola ukuthi udade wenu akasenawo umbhede wokoteta ngoba imbhede igcwele ama-foreigners. Niyophaphama ngelanga la eniyothola khona ukuthi ama-NGOs or ama-ARVs emhlabeni kusponsorishwe ama-ARVs awu-100. Uthole ukuthi u-70 uthathwe ama-foreigners. Le mfalakahlana asisaneli thina njengesizwe. Ngikhuluma ngomnyango nje wezempilo ngokubuka izinto indlela okwenzeka ngayo. Njengoba nikhala ngokuthi nje ama-sister clinic banolaka, uthole ukuthi ubona abantu obonayo ukuthi ababone besizwe bak-exhaust, uze ukuthi no ngikhathele. Mina nje ngisebenza eCape Town, uze ukuthi ngikhathele kuyima kuqhamuka eXhosa person after isikhathi esithize. Kodwa usubone plus minus 11 ngosuku abangebona kulelizwe. Usuyaqala ukukhathala kodwa bezwe ima uqala ukubabona. Angisho ukuthi ngiyacwasa kodwa ngizama ukuveza ireality ukuthi asikho isizwe gazi singenamthetho. Asikho isizwe singenamthetho. Akwazi ukuba ngampunzi endlemini. Uthola ukuthi isibhedlela iclinic inama midwives mhlambe awu-6 eclinic. Ngenza example guys, angisho ukuthi ngikhuluma ngento eyenzakalayo. Uthola ukuthi nama midwives awu-6. Kufika abantu abawu-13 abanemhelo. Kulo 13 guys, abantu abanemhelo, ama-South Africans awu-4 kuphela. The rest bonke abezizwe. Anikwazi ukuyibuka ngalelo hlolo lelo. Angazi njengoba ngisho ngithi anginomuntu ogxilile kodwa no ngiyamsupporta lwasisi. And I don't think ukuthi unenzondo yokuthi like ababulawe noma kodwa akwenzeke into e-right guys. Akwenzeke into e-right. Bengifuna nje ukunivezela eminyangweni nje la. Lo ngiwusebenzelayo ukuthi ngibona ngathi ama-resources ethu abantu bakithi bazogcina bengawatholi ngenxa yabantu bezinye izizwe wes abangenawo amaphepha guys okuba la. Awukwazi ukuthi ungafika ukhulelwe for 9 months uhlale ezweni lakho bese kuthi ngamasonto awu-2 before utete ebese uyawela uya kwelinye izwe. Isizathu salokho isiphi? Umuntu osuke kade eqalile eqaleni nekhathi kumele ukuthi kube uyena okutetisayo, ngoba lo muntu useyazi ukuthi egazini kwenzakalani, amagazi wathathile, unaziphi izifo, uzala umntana wesingaki, abe nobuchule bokuthi uma ngabe usutetiswa uyayidinga ne-specialist, yini oyidingayo. You understand? Uteta kanjani ezweni ongalazi, singazi ngawe, like umuntu engazi ngawe ukuthi ubani wakabani, unani egazini, udla iphi treatment, umntwana wesinga. guys, angazi. I wish ukuthi besingayibuka ngamehlo avulekile, singayibuka ukuthi umuntu esifazana kodwa sibuke ngamehlo okuhlakanipha ukuthi guys sizogaxela. In fact, I think sesigaxele, it's just that asibona sinaki, silibele ukufight izimpi ezingenasidingo. Yeah, I think sesigaxele guys already. I think sesigaxele nje kakhulu. Kunzima guys, it's very heavy, kunzima. So I support mina lo sisi kakhulu guys. Noma ngamsupport ukuthi like ngithi Viva namabhodi, like you understand, because you know impilo busy kodwa ngiyayizwa into ayishoyo, and mhlawumbe siyophaphama after 5 years ukuthi no Jacinta Ngobese made a point. And unfortunately by that time it would be very too late to turn back and rectify the mistakes that we are ignoring njengamanje. But yeah, that is just my 2 cents opinion. But yeah, I support Jacinta guys.
Yeah, ne? Those who don't support Jacinta and much, it's either they are benefiting from the crimes that are done by illegal foreigners, or they are doing businesses that thrives with illegal foreigners being in this country. So South Africans, it's about time we stand together and we support and protect Jacinta. Since the movement March, Operation Tutula and Action SA are protesting against illegal foreigners, a lot of crimes has been discovered, that a lot of crimes that were happening behind the scene, while as South Africans we didn't know, has been discovered, a lot of them. And there's still a lot that is going to happen as long as we stand together and we fight these people who come in the name of sisters and brothers, while they know they are here to replace us, while they know they're here to take everything that belongs to us. One Africa, one love.